Okay, Joe. All right, Joe.
All right.
All systems go.
I don't know if I got any video or not. I'll try to get some of the other folks.
Yeah.
They might appreciate it.
I was kind of surprised they were doing two of us at once. They didn't do that last time. They were just doing one at a time, but maybe because it was.
Well, that's why I wanted to. Well, here's the other people. I couldn't get my own vid, but this looks like the wife. Where's the doctor? Oh, he's a little bit behind there.
Yeah.
Oh, that's the doctor there. All right. She's a little bit lighter, so she's holding on for dear life there. But she's straight. That's good.
Yeah.
Legs open. Well, this is a zip line I just did. It starts way up at the top of that mountain. If you can see that building way up there. But I tried to have the camera on me with my clip on. It got twisted around and all it has is a picture of my jacket probably. So I'm trying to get the people coming down. And whatnot, it was good. Sun's out a little bit now. It's warmed up. When the sun comes out, it isn't bad here. So I'll have to see here. But and the camera turned off by itself. These doggone batteries, they run for a few minutes, they turn off by themselves, even though it says I have 80% power left. So I don't know. Legs open.
Open your legs. Open your legs.
Legs open. This is where you have to walk up afterwards, which is more treacherous than the zip line is. You gotta go way up to the top there to get back up there. Oh man, this thing is danger at every step. So the kid's taking his time here. Taking his time here. It's like, all right, you can see in back of me here, everything there. So I'm a little winded, but doing my best for everybody there. Okay. Well, our hotel, I'll have to do it later on the video. There's a little orange dot way up there is our hotel, somewhere up there. I'm halfway up the hill. This is the worst part. This is the most treacherous part of the whole trip. Climbing back up to get back up to the gondola. And it's still only halfway because we got to go all the way up there. Up there. And it's a steep climb. Treacherous, rocks. I could fall and break my nose in another 22 places here. But the view is great. Look out here. Sun came out a little bit, yeah, so warmed up. Breeze is not too bad. So all in all, not a bad morning. A little bit of sun, not crystal clear blue, but pretty good. I stopped, take a little rest here, get my energy back. And yeah, I don't know why the videos weren't doing later. I got nothing. I would have been better off holding the GoPro, but you don't know. It was my first time on this one, even though I've done a number of other zip lines in the past. Okay, gotta get going here. I'm slow here. All right, bye-bye. Well, I'm still on this trail. It's still going up and up. I don't know if he said 700 feet or 700 meters. I'm not sure. It can't be 700 meters. It's gotta be 2,000 feet, although it feels like that. It's probably 700 feet. Take a little rest, drinking some water. Took my outer shell off. I'm getting hot. So still got to go up higher and higher. Here we go. Well, I thought it was at the top. But they're telling me I still have to go up there. Oh my goodness. Maybe it was 700 meters climb. It could be. Yeah, man, oh man, oh man. Oh man, I'm hot. On the flat part, I'm not too bad. It looks a little more flatter. I don't see any steps for the next 50 feet. Big deal. All right, pressing on. Well, there's the trail, still going up there, more and more steps. It was only flat for like a teeny tiny bit. Okay. Well, somehow, I don't know how, every last ounce of strength that I had, and it was 700 meters. So that's like over 2,100 feet I had to climb, inch by inch, and the kid had to take it there. I'm up at the gondola now, and take a little rest on the bench. One of the guys has both of my jackets and everything. But I made it. I'm still in one piece. Nothing weird has happened to me. So, yeah, but I thought it was, he said, oh, it's a little climb after the zip line, you know, you gotta climb back up. At 2,100 feet, I'm climbing back up the mountain here. So it's like, come on, give me a break. Give a brother a break here, come on. But, all right, pulled everything I had. I haven't been eating much last couple of days. I was sick those other days, but just had a man up here. Got to do it for my friends out there on YouTube there. So Ed Getley signing off. I'll see you all later. Kid needs a rest. I'm going to rest this afternoon. All right, bye-bye. Well, that's the zip line that we took right there, where I went off, went all the way down to that little tiny thing down there. And then I had to climb back up to another thing, which was 2,100 feet, somewhere down there.